BizConnect presents a new tool especially for your webinar and conferences, Biz Meet. Here are the features. A dedicated space for your branding. Here you find the list of all the speakers with their details. Click to read the complete speaker bio or just follow them on LinkedIn or Twitter. Language change option to cater to attendees from around the globe. Choose the language of your choice from here. A large screen for the attendees to sit back and attend the event. Both live and recorded video can be played on the main screen. Chat box to communicate with everyone present at the event. Moderators or speakers of the event can conduct live polls to make the event more engaging. Q&A option so the speakers don't miss out on important questions from attendees. Announcement button for the organizers to communicate important messages on the go. Agenda to provide attendees with event timeline. A pre-prepared list of FAQs for the attendees. All of these downloadable and printable in PDF format. Emojis as reactions for an immersive experience, both for speakers and attendees. Feedback form for attendees to give their feedback on the event. A button to share the event through any medium, just with one click. An option to exchange and download business cards with anyone present at the event. And a lot more can be achieved on Biz Meet. Reach out to us now on contact@bizconnectedevents.com for more details.